Hello and welcome back to another video by Public Media Solution. Once again, we are India's third largest PR agency. We are creating these videos to teach you everything there is to know about public relations in India. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है advertising versus PR. What are the differences? Why should you be focusing on advertising? Why should you be focusing on PR? What are the benefits of each of those? And let's just jump right into it. Okay, to make you understand a very simple difference between advertising and PR, let me first explain to you that there is a very thin line between advertising and PR. Okay, so for example, अगर आप कोई बड़ी कंपनी या छोटी कंपनी के मार्केटिंग हेड हो, राइट, या आप उनके SEO के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से PR करना चाहते हो, this in the start is a very bad strategy. And I'll tell you why. आपको याद है थोड़े एपिसोड्स पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था कि there are two types of PR. There is organic PR and then there is disclaimered PR, paid media, bought media. Whenever you try to mix your advertising strategy with your public relations strategy, you will always end up creating stories which look like they are sponsored because they are very promotional stories. They are not stories which are in public interest. You cannot go around saying that ये हमारा product है, ये best product है, and expect that to be a PR article. Absolutely not. Just to remind you once again, public relations is about influencing the audience in the right way to get a particular outcome or result that we are hoping for. So just to give you an understanding, जब भी आप कोई मार्केटिंग कैंपेन करते हो या आप कोई एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन करते हो, द सोल ऑब्जेक्टिव इज अ कॉल टू एक्शन. दैट मीन्स अगर आप एड चला रहे हो, आप बोलते हो कि दिस इज आवर प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज आवर सर्विस, दिस इज द कॉस्ट, दिस इज द लिंक टू आइदर बाय आवर सर्विसेज और टॉक टू अस. दैट्स एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट, राइट. पब्लिक रिलेशंस में ये नहीं होता. पब्लिक रिलेशंस में आप क्या बोलते हो? दिस इज आवर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस एंड because we've been doing so well in the market, look at how much trust and credibility the media has that they are talking about us. This is a very basic difference between a marketing campaign and a public relations campaign. तो जब आप कॉल टू एक्शन की बात करते हो, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि पब्लिक रिलेशंस के अंदर कॉल टू एक्शन नहीं है. It is obviously there, but to an extent we have to keep it very neutral standpoint. हमें ऐसा बनाना होता है कि सामने वाला बंदा पढ़ के ऐसा सोचे कि हाँ, this makes sense. This is something which is a very neutral article. Somebody is explaining this to me, but they are not asking me to do anything about it. An advertising campaign will always ask you to do something after you have read something. It is a very call to action. ये पढ़ा है, ये करो. PR में कभी भी आपको ये चीज़ करने को नहीं मिलेगी. दिस इज अ वेरी की अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर आप कभी भी अपना मार्केटिंग कैंपेन और PR कैंपेन मर्ज करने की ट्राई कर रहे हो, वेयर यू कम एंड टेल अ PR एजेंसी दैट यार जी न्यूज़ में हमारा आर्टिकल तो आ रहा है, बट वाई इज देयर नो बैकलिंक एसोसिएटेड विद आवर आर्टिकल, वाई इज इट नॉट हेल्पिंग इन आवर SEO स्ट्रैटेजी, वाई इज इट नॉट कोलैबोरेटिंग विद आवर मार्केटिंग टीम एंड मार्केटिंग स्ट्रैटेजी. That is because every company has to understand that marketing and PR are two very separate verticals. They have to be run as their individual identities and not collaborated together, because when you mix these two together, you will always end up with a sponsored and a paid article, which will not give you the credibility that you were looking for from the media. Now I want to talk to you about some key differences between an ad campaign and a public relations campaign. The first thing that we need to understand is the type of media that we are getting. In the first episode हमने बात किया था about owned media and earned media. तो whenever you are doing a marketing campaign, you are always doing it on owned media. तो जब भी हम owned media पे कोई भी चीज़ करते हैं ना, as a company, as an individual, we have full control over it. That means that अगर हमको पोस्ट अच्छा नहीं लगा ऊपर जाने के बाद, if we did not like the reaction of the viewers, if we did not like the comments that we were getting, we can always take it off. हमारे ऊपर ही हमारा owned है, हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. When it is earned PR, when it is an organic PR article, you have absolutely no control because the media has the control. For example, अगर आपकी स्टोरी जी न्यूज़ ने पब्लिश की है and if Times of India says that I also want to carry the story, you as a client, as a business owner, as a company executive have no control over telling Times of India कि नहीं, आप नहीं कैरी कर सकते हमारी स्टोरी, हमने ये स्टोरी सिर्फ जी न्यूज़ को दी है. You cannot do that, right? So exclusivity will never happen in earned media. Again, one more thing that you have to understand is the guarantee of the placement. आप आज जाके मेटा पे 10,000 रुपये डाल के गारंटी कर सकते हो कि मेटा बता रहा है आपको, आप मेरे को 10,000 रुपये दीजिए and I will show your ad to 30,000 people and I will give you a guarantee that at least 250 people will click on your ad and at least 100 people will fill the form on your ad. ये हो गया बहुत guaranteed structure. So here you can see a very clear structure of an ROI also. At the same time, you can never see this in PR. You will never have an agency come and tell you guaranteed मैं आपको टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में आर्टिकल देता हूँ, guaranteed आपका आर्टिकल फॉर्ब्स में पब्लिश हो जाएगा, 100% आपकी अश्योरिटी है कि आपका आर्टिकल फाइनेंशियल एक्सप्रेस में तो छप ही जाएगा. इफ एन एजेंसी इज गिविंग यू दिस गारंटी, आस्क देम इज दिस अर्न्ड मीडिया और इज दिस बॉट मीडिया. और अगर एजेंसी आपको सैम्पल लिंक नहीं शेयर कर रही है, अगर एजेंसी आपके साथ केस स्टडीज नहीं शेयर कर रही है, देन यू हैव टू रिकंसिडर योर पोजीशन फ्रॉम अ पीआर एस्पेक्ट, बिकॉज इवन विद बॉट मीडिया द मीडिया स्टिल हैज अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोल ओवर इट. कल उठ के आप हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स को ये नहीं बोल सकती कोई मेरा पेड आर्टिकल था आप निकाल दो. दे विल नेवर डू इट बिकॉज दे विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि यार इनको निकालना क्यों है आर्टिकल, राइट? बिकॉज द मीडिया विल थिंक इसने कुछ गलत बोला है क्या, ये इसने इन्फॉर्मेशन गलत डाली है क्या. द मीडिया विल स्टार्ट चेजिंग यू. We do not want to do that. So understand that जब भी आप advertising कर रहे हो, stick to your Meta, stick to your Facebook, stick to your Google, stick to your LinkedIn ads. That is advertising. Hardcore पैसा डालो, ads चलाओ, clients लाओ, पैसा बनाओ. That is your advertising campaign. Public relations always and always has to be done organically, and you have to understand as a client that you have very little control over what the media is saying. Here is where a PR agency comes into play, because as a PR agency we have such good connects in the media that we come and we are able to talk to the journalist to say that देखो ये आर्टिकल है, इसका ये हम स्टोरी एंगल पकड़ना चाहते हैं, what do you think? The journalist will say no, you know, this is something that we can try, this is something that, you know, we are not currently working on. We can then push them a little bit to say that, okay, you know, let's at least give it a shot. आप ट्राई कीजिए, if the editor likes it, if the sub editor likes it, we can always proceed with it, right? So as an agency collaborator, you will always have some level of control to say that, okay, you know, we might want to change the content a little bit, we might want to add a different image to it. Some things can be changed, some things absolutely cannot. All right, so that concludes our current video about the differences between an advertising campaign and a public relations campaign. मैं hope करता हूँ कि आपको इसमें थोड़ा सा information मिला हो. Once again, as always, we are always available. आप हमें call कर सकते हो. You can drop us an email. You can call us directly. You can write in the comments saying that, Arsh, you know, is this something that we should be proceeding with? Yes or no. I will always answer for you. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.